Mylead affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Mylead affiliate program, how it works, how can you get started as an affiliate marketer on Mylead affiliate program. So let's get started. So Mylead affiliate program is an affiliate marketing platform that helps you gain new clients for largest companies both in Poland and in the world. They do this together with our community of almost 100,000 users from 154 countries. So how can you become Mylead affiliate? So for that, all you have to do is just register to the Mylead affiliate program if you haven't already. So just click on register right here at the top right corner. So as you can see, there are 3 steps to be completed in order to become an affiliate with Mylead. So in the first step, you have to enter your login and your email address and all the consents below and submit the rules and regulation. You can click on regulation and privacy policy and read them. And if you agree with the privacy policy, just click on I agree and just click on I agree again and just click on start free registration. And you can also use your Google account to start with the first step. And in the second step, all you have to do is just your email account activation. So in this particular section, your email account will get activate through a verification on your email address. In the third step, your account personal information will be needed. Like this will require some basic information about your business and about your audience, and follow the instructions, complete and submit your application. And after you submit your application, it will typically take few days for Mylead to approve or deny your application. Once you are accepted, you will be granted access to your affiliate dashboard, where you can find and copy the unique affiliate referral link. And once you get your affiliate referral link, you can start monetize your content right away by adding your Mylead link directly to your blog post. So I'm gonna share you some of the tips to succeed in Mylead affiliate program. So after you have added a few affiliate links to your content and start earning commission, you should look for ways to increase your affiliate revenue. You can do this by adding great products display, comparison tables and CTA buttons to your blog post. The easiest way to increase your affiliate income and monetize your site by Mylead is using Lesso. So with Lesso, you will have link management dashboard. You can see every post on your site with Mylead links. You can also create stunning no-code affiliate display like grids and tables. Those will increase your click and help you earn more money from your existing content. So this is basically how you can use Mylead affiliate program to become an affiliate marketer. I hope you find this video to be informative. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.